Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce download times with Dropbox detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Dropbox account and sign in. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the profile icon in the top right corner. Select settings from the drop-down menu. Go to the bandwidth tab to adjust download settings. Make sure limit bandwidth is unchecked to allow maximum speed. Next, consider using Dropbox Smart Sync for your files. Right-click on a file or folder in your Dropbox and select Smart Sync. Choose Local to keep frequently accessed files on your device. For files you do not use often, select Online Only to save space. This feature also helps reduce download times when syncing. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to improve download speed. Another option is to use the Dropbox desktop application. Download and install the app if you haven't done so already. Once installed, open the app and log into your account. Files synced through the desktop app often download faster than through a browser. If you frequently share large files, use Dropbox Transfer. Open the transfer feature from the main menu. Upload your large files here and share a download link. This method circumvents limits on file sizes for direct downloads. Additionally, compress large files into zip or RAR formats before uploading. This can help reduce the file size and speed up downloads. Finally, regularly clear the cache of your browser if you are using Dropbox online. Clearing cache can improve performance and reduce download times. By following these steps, you can efficiently reduce download times with Dropbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.